brand new. Hello. So cute. So cute. So freaking cute. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Leslie if you are new here. So I'm just gonna catch you guys up on what I've been doing lately. I know you guys saw that I got a new phone, and on one of my most recent productive diaries videos, I did show you guys how like I underconsume and how I'm very intentional with what I bring into my home. I don't like a lot of clutter, and for me, like, everywhere has its space. And how I went to go fix my lens from my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Tell me why that when I got that fixed, it started doing this like sound when I would go, every time I'd go to my camera. Is it doing it now? Okay, I wanted to show you guys, it's not doing it now, but it would actually, like when I would record, it would like vibrate and it would make that noise. And I'm like, okay, that's fine and all for like when I do TikToks, I can put music over it and, you know, whatever. But then I'm like, but for when I go to Japan, I don't want all my videos to have that sound. And it's not like I'm gonna post everything on TikTok. Most of the stuff that I'll like record on my phone, yes, I have my camera, like they're like personal videos for like memories. So it's just like I didn't want that in my videos. And what I didn't tell you guys in that video was that like my phone had been going in and out of SOS mode. So there were times that like I had to like turn on and off my phone. I had to remove the SIM. And then the last one where I was just like, ooh, this is kind of pushing it, where I had to turn my phone off all night. And the next morning it just didn't, you know, come off of SOS. So then like I had to remove the SIM, but I didn't have anything to remove it one. I don't know. And then I was struggling. I didn't know how I did it the last time. So I got like a paper clip, and I'm like, I don't want to be out and like having to like be in SOS. So like, let me carry the paper clip around. And I'm like, okay, this might be a little too much. So my phone, it's old, but it was still working for me, and I was really still trying to like underconsume. But I'm like, you know what, I think I did a pretty good job. 6 years is enough. I think that I've earned a new phone. I think it's worth upgrading. So I got this 17 Pro. What I knew I wanted to do was downgrade from the Max to like a smaller phone. Although I love the Max, now that I'm holding it, I'm kind of like missing it. But like this just feels so much more comfortable in my hands, holding it with one hand. So I'm glad that I finally updated. You guys were with me when I went to go get my phone fixed. It looked crazy and it is cracked and stuff. So I've been playing around with like dressing up my phone with how I am with like old phones, like I don't ever update my phone with the new software because I'm traumatized by Apple. And I feel like when you do that, the more years and you have your phone, the more like they try to mess it up. So like I kept it like original, like Apple. And like this is all new to me, like dynamic island and all of that, always on. At first I was like, do I want to get used to always on? I've been able to like put this little heart that says like walk by faith, not by sight. I have it like all dressed up. I do like the always on because I always tap my phone to like check the time and everything. And oh, I did find the video with the noise. Let me show you guys. So it was like I put music over this video. This is like for TikTok. Also, I'll link my TikTok in the description box if you guys want to see what I do on there. If you guys can listen. Here, it's already recording. So I'll just end the video. Here, it's already recording. Like that's what my camera was doing. So yeah, this is the inside of my phone. She's so cute. These are the only widgets I have. I go on TikTok and I see how other like cool girls have their cool phones with like widgets and like pictures and stuff. I tried doing that with like Widgetsmith. Maybe I haven't like done enough research because like I just feel like it's also a little bit too much for me, and I am a simple girly and I'm pretty minimal, so like I can't have too much going on. But I do love that I have my dog's little paw prints on the sand, and then when I open it, it has like the little like wave and it's like vanilla. This is the vanilla phone case. The girl said it was new. I am struggling though with one thing. I got a 256 gigabyte phone. I'm low-key kind of regretting that. I think I kind of want to go back. I'm still in like the exchange window for the 14 days to get the 500, I think 16 gigabytes. I just, because I want to keep this phone like just like my other one for like the next 6 years or at least 5. So yeah, I don't know. And I don't have much time, which right now I don't have much time. I have to meet my friend at 9:45. So I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna finish my coffee, and I'll see you guys on our hike. I just finished filming a current favorites video. I've been wanting to film that for like a while now because I love those. I love seeing, you know, what people's like favorites are. Also, I love what's in my bags videos. So basically the content that like I enjoy doing is the content that like I enjoy watching. But yeah, today I did Pilates. I had an acupuncture therapy session in the morning, and then I shipped out my Poshmark order that I got. I love getting those little tidbits of like, surprise, here's, you know, the order, or somebody purchased something. Like it's really cool. I wish it was like a purchase every day, like that would be ideal, but maybe in the future, you know, I can like develop some like online business. And I mean, technically, is this a business? I don't know. Lately I've been leaning a lot more towards like romanticizing my life. I know that's like everywhere right now, but at the moment it's just what's keeping me sane. And yeah, like in my current favorites videos, like I showed that like I have like my notebook, my journal, and I've been journaling, and then I've been getting back to reading. So like I always like to ease on back into what fills my cup, and I've been focusing on that a lot more, even though I'm like being out and being social, which is great. That fills my cup as well, but there's nothing like solitude for me. I love being alone. I love being by myself. I love to, if I'm out, like people watch or like dilly-dally, or you know, like find like new things, like kind of just venture off and into my own little adventure. Okay, so I've been interrupted more than what I would like, but hey, that's what happens when you're a mom and a wife and everyone wants you, needs you, or yeah, it's just a full household. Enough of the chit chat. We are gonna go have some pizza. Look how long they've lasted. This is like 2 weeks, and I need new fresh flowers. I love having fresh flowers by my bedside. Like, it is the first thing I see and the last thing I see, and it's just so beautiful. And this is one way of how like I romanticize my life. So yeah, next Trader Joe's trip I will get me some fresh flowers.